Hello guys, so today I will talk about these two specimens. So this is the quartz, and this is the marble. The basic difference between these two rocks are that this is the mineral, quartz is a mineral and marble is a rock. The similarities between these two specimens is that quartz is a metamorphic rock and marble is also a metamorphic rock. These both specimens are metamorphic rock. Marble is formed under very high temperature and pressure condition, and marble and quartz is also formed very high pressure and temperature condition. The parent rock of marble is calcite, dolomite and limestone, and the parent rock of quartz is basically sandstone and some other uh, silica minerals like chert and all those things. So the chemical composition of the marble is calcium carbonate, and the chemical composition of quartz is silica or SiO2. Both specimens have very common occurrences. These rock type formed often in metamorphic zone, and the structures is common is sacchoidal structures in marble. This is the marble specimen. So the sacchoidal structure is very common in marble rock, as you can see here. And quartz have big crystals. This is the isomorphic specimen, means there is only one mineral, SiO2. So you can see these silica crystals. Quartz basically found as a vein in metamorphic zone, sedimentary rocks and igneous rocks as well. As I told you, these both specimens are metamorphic rock and both are formed under very high temperature and pressure conditions. Marble is also found like a band. Sometimes it is found as pocket deposit also, and basically it is found as bands near contact of limestone and some other metamorphic rocks. Marble or quartz looking sometimes similar. Marble is white to black in color, while quartz is basically white in color, as you can see here. So these are the basic differences between these two specimens. One is mineral and marble is a rock. So these are the big crystals of quartz.